What's the meaning of bonus? Bonus. Bonus.
Bonus. Bonus. A bonus is a sum of money or an additional reward given to someone as a result of their good performance, effort, or achievement. It is a sign of appreciation and motivation that can encourage individuals to work harder and strive for better results. Bonuses are typically given on top of regular salaries or wages and can come in the form of cash, stock options, or other incentives. The granting of a bonus is usually at the discretion of an employer, who may use it as a way to retain talent or to incentivize specific behaviors or outcomes. Overall, bonuses are a way to acknowledge and reward exceptional effort and contributions.